Welcome to this tutorial on PowerShell Regex Replace. In this video, we'll explore the -replace operator, a powerful tool for transforming text using pattern matching. The -replace operator allows you to find patterns in strings and replace them with new text, making it essential for text processing and data manipulation tasks in PowerShell. Let's start with the basic syntax of the -replace operator. The structure is straightforward. You take a string, followed by the -replace operator, then specify a pattern to search for, and finally provide the replacement text. The operator searches through your string, finds any text matching the pattern, and replaces it with the new text you specified. This simple syntax forms the foundation for all text replacement operations in PowerShell. Here's a simple example to demonstrate how it works. We start with the string hello world and use -replace to find the word world and replace it with PowerShell. The result is hello PowerShell. Notice that the replacement happens automatically. The operator scans the entire string, finds the matching text, and performs the substitution. This literal string matching is the most basic form of the -replace operator. Now let's explore pattern matching using regular expressions. Instead of replacing literal text, we can use regex patterns to match multiple occurrences. In this example, we have the string test 1, 2, 3, ABC 4, 5, 6 containing digits. We use the pattern \d+, which matches one or more consecutive digits. The -replace operator finds all digit sequences and replaces each one with the letter X. The result is test X ABCX, showing that both number sequences have been replaced. This demonstrates the power of regex patterns for matching multiple instances at once. Capture groups let you reuse portions of the matched text in your replacement. Here we have John Doe, and we want to reverse the order to last name, first name. The pattern uses parentheses to create two capture groups. \W+ matches the first word, and another \W+ matches the second word. In the replacement string, $1 refers to the first captured group, and $2 refers to the second captured group. By writing $2, $1, we effectively swap the names, resulting in Doe, John. Capture groups are incredibly useful for rearranging text patterns. The -replace operator has two variants for handling case sensitivity. By default, -replace is case-insensitive, meaning it matches patterns regardless of letter case. In the first example, hello in all caps matches the pattern hello in lowercase, and the replacement occurs successfully, giving us hi. However, if you need case-sensitive matching, use -c replace instead. With -c replace, hello in caps does not match hello in lowercase, so no replacement happens and the original string, hello, remains unchanged. Choose the appropriate variant based on whether case matters in your scenario. You can remove text entirely by replacing matches with an empty string. This example demonstrates extracting numbers from a string. We start with price, $49.99. The pattern **d.bracket matches any character that is not a digit or a decimal point. By replacing all these characters with an empty string, we effectively remove everything except the numbers and decimal point, leaving us with just 49.99. This technique is perfect for cleaning data and extracting specific information from formatted text. Let's look at 3 practical examples you'll encounter frequently. First, changing email domains. The pattern @sign.* matches everything from the @ symbol to the end, replacing it with @domain.com. Second, converting Windows \paths to // for cross-platform compatibility. We escape the / with double backslashes and replace it with a /. Third, normalizing whitespace by replacing multiple spaces with a single space. The pattern \s+ matches one or more whitespace characters and condenses them. These examples show how -replace solves real-world text processing challenges efficiently.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.